या पक्षान कितें सरल्या तो खबर आसतली बाब एडवोकेट यातीश नायक, बाब लाहू मामलेदार वा बाब विजय वसुदेव पै, बाब मारियो पिंटो दसंताना, बाब आनंद नायक, बाब शिवदास नायक, बाब राजेंद्र काकोडकर आणि एडवोकेट Antonio Monteiro Clóvis da Costa. So, friends, let me say I am privileged, we are honored, we are happy, we are grateful that your services for the people, true to the guidance of the leader Didi, will go in a long way in our battle to win Goa from the clutches of these people who are trying to divide it. As I have said, Goa is suffering. Goa needs a change. You have seen for the last 10 years, there is no opposition. There is no credible alternative. And I can tell you proudly, here is Didi to give us a reliable and formidable alternative. And we are getting charged, we are ready to defeat the BJP who is trying to have the culture of intolerance, culture of hatred, culture of vengeance, culture of vendetta. This is not my India, this is not our India, this is not Mahatma Gandhi's India. I would like to tell you that Goa Trinamool Congress is starting today. We have just started with a batch of few volunteers who are from all walks of life, from all religions, from all creed. But this is only a starting. Trinamool will be of Goa, by Goa and for Goa. You must have seen the message. गोंयची नवी सकाळ एक नवी चळवळ. ही चळवळ आमी जी सुरवात करतात, ही चळवळ आखे गोंयांत प्रत्येक गोंयच्या पोंतांनी, उत्तर गोंय ते दक्षिण गोंय आमी वतले. We will go to the doorsteps of the people, because people are the masters, we have to serve them. That was a slogan I had given earlier, and people understood it. We will try to find out what are the problems. लोकांचे प्रश्न, लोकांचे अडचण्यो, लोकांचे difficulties, लोकांचे popular aspirations. ही चळवळ जी आहा म्हज्या नदरेन महत्वाची. जुंय तरुण तरणाटे, जुंय महिला, जुंय जाणटे नेणटे, प्रत्येक मागांतले बागांतले धर्मांतले लोकांचे प्रश्न. आज व्हडल्यांतली व्हडले प्रश्न गोंयांत आमच्या तरणाट्यांक. तरणाटे शिकिल्ले बेकार आहात. We will have the details so that we can prepare a roadmap, an action plan, so that we can work in every taluka, every constituency. We will have a manifesto in every constituency. But more important than that, after studying the matter, we will come with a charge sheet against this government, because our agenda is agenda against the BJP. We want to finish these divisive forces and a movement to remove this government, both at the state and the center. This movement will start from the sacred land of Goa, so that you will see a change. And that is the reason my journey from the west coast of India to the east coast of India to meet Didi. Because many people ask me, why you could not do it after being in the Congress party? I must tell you, the people of Goa had blessed us. Not once, twice. In 1999, as a PCC president, we got absolute majority. But it is the Congress, we have got friends in Congress, you don't need external enemies.